Hi guys, in this video I provide you the comparison of Anker Soundcore Live Q20 versus Anker Soundcore Live Q20i. Which one is better for you? Let's see in the video. Here you can see the comparison. First is sound. High res bass up customized EQ available on Q20i and high resolution bass up is available on Q20. Active noise cancellation hybrid ANC available on Q20i and hybrid ANC available on Q20. Let's talk about charging port USB-C available on 20i and micro USB available on 20. Let's talk about playtime 60H ANC off 40H ANC on available on 20i 60H ANC off 40H ANC on available on 20. Fast charging 5 minutes is equal to 4 hours available on 20i 5 minutes is equal to 4 hours available on 20. Let's talk about connectivity. Bluetooth 5 AUX available on 20i. Bluetooth 5 AUX available on 20. Calls single mic available on 20i and single mic is available on 20. Recommended for travel, flight, train, commute. And the 20 is also recommended for travel, flight, train, commute. So here you can see the comparison. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.